Hello.
So I am back again.
Yes,
Maybe I came a
that's
bit
okay.
earlier because I need every 5 minutes or every single minute. But actually
Yeah.
I'm happy because I always receive comments and questions. That means that guys got interested actually.
hmm
And
You mean the YouTube or
actually from the questions actually I received today a very nice question last time, very nice two questions actually. So and I met a lot of guys on the YouTube. They are asking,
yeah,
and actually we didn't see complete course about boundary elements on YouTube.
yeah.
All of available things are separate lectures. So if we finish this
hmm
course, it will be really great.
Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah.
Yes, yes, and I hope your students should continue working in boundary elements after that. We want
Yeah, yeah, of course.
a
I
lot of
think part of them doing the BM or the BM like method.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. We have a lot of things. We have a lot of things in boundary elements still open, like these hypersingular integrals, the
hmm
two-state conservation integral, the one who was developed by Professor Hu, and the displacement discontinuity methods. We have a lot of things. I always say
Yeah.
if we have 200 guys, we are able to make them work in boundary elements. I'm not sure. I'm not joking. Just
Yeah.
if we have to, but they should be willing to do something, because what I see now, we have two main problems in research. The first problem
Yeah.
is everybody want to increase his metrics. This is what is called the
Mhm.
citation and H index and these things. This is turned to be crazy actually. So
Yeah.
instead of looking for good research, we cite each other. Even reviewers are start to cite each other, and this is crazy. I have never done that, and I will never do this. Okay. The second thing is going towards easy things, like going towards meshless techniques and using artificial neural networks. These things are. I know it is a bit easier than computational mechanics, real computational mechanics, integral equation, or something like that. So we have to stop and come back to basic sciences, and we should
Yeah.
attack this hard stuff. Okay, and at
hmm
the end of the day, we find a lot of things. And before us, we remember Professor Tosaka. Professor Tosaka did a lot of things in boundary elements. Professor Xinghua Shin, he did a lot of things. Bi
hmm
Hua Wen, he's a great guy. We have
hmm
Ferri Ali Abadi, Louise Robel,
Yeah.
Alex Chang, Ernie Banz, Casticadellis. Professor Casticadellis, he's great guy actually. Professor
Yes.
Castigadelis gave us this analog equation method. We should take one lecture on the analog equation method. Actually,
Yeah.
actually, he was telling me that God sent him by the analog equation method two people in this on Earth actually. Okay, so and actually this is great.
Okay.
And actually, you can apply this analog equation method in finite elements. It's not only in boundary
Yes.
elements.
Yes.
Yes, you can do a lot of
Cooperate
things.
the FM.
There are a lot of
Yeah.
area needs to be investigated.